Good morning, everyone! My name is Aruna and this is Kayleen.
And I'm Evelyn.
And today, we are going to explain the science behind Fata Morgana.
Fata morgana is a complex type of mirage. It creates dramatic and distorted images in the distance. It often makes ships appear to float above the ocean. Sometimes land looks stretched or stacked in layers.
These images may look magical or mysterious, however they are made by physics, not magic.
The key concept behind Fata morgana is refraction. Refraction is the bending of light when it changes speed. Light changes speed when it travels through different materials. Even air can affect the speed of light.
Air looks uniform, but it is not always the same everywhere. Its temperature can vary in layers. There are multiple layers of hot and cold air. Each layer has a slightly different refractive index.
Hot air is less dense and has a lower refractive index. Meanwhile, cold air is denser and has a slightly higher refractive index. When light passes through these layers, it does not travel in a straight line. Instead, it curves gradually.
This curved path can bend light downward or upward. The bending can be strong when temperature differences are extreme.
Our brain assumes that light travels in straight lines. So when curved light enters our eyes, we misinterpret the object's true position. That is why a sheet below the horizon can appear lifted into the sky. The images are actually a refracted version of the real object.
Sometimes the image can appear inverted, but some other times it can appear stretched vertically.
In some cases, multiple images are stacked on top of each other. This creates the illusion of tall towers and castles. The name Fata Morgana comes from a legend about Morgan Le Fay. People long ago thought these illusions were magical castles in the air.
Fata Morgana can usually appear in cold waters or icy regions, but it can also appear in deserts where it's very hot.
Wait,
But Fata Morgana can produce multiple distorted images at once. The shapes can change quickly as the air layers shift.
Fata Morgana is more complex than a normal mirage. A simple mirage usually shows one inverted image.
Light bends because its speed changes in different air densities. Different densities means different refractive indices.
So, Fata Morgana is an extreme example of atmospheric refraction. It shows how powerful small changes in refractive index can be. In conclusion, Fata Morgana is not magic but physics. It demonstrates how light bending through layers of air and can create stunning optical illusions.
Thank you all for listening.
We hope you now understand the science behind Fata Morgana.